My Crocoin holders, I've got a video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about crypto.com, Crocoin, and where I think we could be headed here. So without further ado, welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so we are looking at the Crocoin chart on the daily time frame, and it is looking pretty ugly. But if you know what you're looking for and you start to really pick this apart, you can see that we are seeming to be somewhat bottoming out here. Now, I will say that being close to this 0.0830 cent level, this yellow line, this is a magnet. I do think that there's a high likelihood chance that we make our way down here. But what we're seeing going on across the entire altcoin ecosystem, including Bitcoin, a lot of them are sitting on support. So I would not be surprised to see a bounce relatively soon and not really see us come down here unless Bitcoin takes a tumble. But as of right now, I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of that happen. A lot of altcoins are rounding out right now, finding a bottom and looking for a little bit of relief. Now, Crocoin does look a little bit weak here, I have to be honest. You see the money flow coming out significantly red, but you do have a green dot on volume indicating a potential bottom signal for market cipher. We're going to have to really pick this apart, guys, but I will say I do expect volatility. I do expect altcoins to get a little bit of relief here. I've closed the majority of my short positions, and I really am looking for some scalps, some long scalping. And I have closed out one of my longs today. I'll show you my trade in a moment here. But if you guys do want to take advantage of this volatility, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below, guys. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. And on top of that, there is a trading competition going on. If you want to join my team, click that link, sign up, and you'll be a part of my team. And we can potentially get $5.6 million in rewards pool. So it's pretty cool. Maybe we can get some of that money together. But let's check out over here. I want to show you 333 maxi on crypto Twitter. That's my account. I did say I closed out one of my long positions right now. I say this is an in and out quick scalp market at the moment. I am catching these lows when it looks like that the volatility of the downside is starting to stabilize. I am expecting quick moves to the upside with potential quick moves to the downside after that. Very quick, sharp, volatile moves that get cut short. And that's why right now I am scalping. I had a nice 9x long on SWE, made about 61.09%, 9x leverage. You guys, right now is the time for the quick in and out, but I do think that we're probably going to see that change when we break out of this channel we've been trading in on Bitcoin for the past few months here, and we'll get into that. But let's take a look at Crocoin right now. Cronos is sitting at rank 46, unfortunately making its way further and further down below, but I do think that has a lot to do with altcoin season and the overall interest on trading altcoins right now. Down about 2.89% in the past 7 days, down about 0.13% in the past 24 hours, sitting at a $2.41 billion market cap, just above 8 cents, just barely around 9 right now. I do expect this, guys, to really be pretty calm and boring for a while until Bitcoin decides to make a larger move. But I do want to say, I say on crypto Twitter, day 92, bull posting Crocoin to $1. My Crow fam, like this post if you want to see Crocoin burns. Like this video if you want to see Crocoin burns as well, guys. I say crypto.com has made substantial progress on the 2025 roadmap. They have underpromised and overdelivered, not to be confused with overpromise and underdeliver, which 90% of companies do, and they don't realize like that is what separates a good company, a decent company from a great company. A great company is a company that underpromises and overdelivers and makes their customers happy and basically rewards their customers, which we'll talk about. I really would like to see some Crocoin burns that would reward the original investors, the early investors into Crocoin and crypto.com. I think that's what a lot of them want to see, is for Crocoin's price to move up. I say, which is exactly what you want to see. You want to see that. You want to see underpromise, overdeliver. And I say repost this if you think Crocoin $1 is loading. Let me know, guys. Do you think $1 is loading, or do you think we have to wait some more time, or do you think Crocoin's dead? I'm very curious on your opinions, guys. You know that we've been covering Crocoin, crypto.com for a long time on this channel. And yes, I'm bullish on crypto.com. The question is, do they bring Crocoin with it? Part of my fundamental analysis on Crocoin was that crypto.com was Crocoin, but things are changing up a little bit. It's been many, many years. My fundamental analysis has changed a little bit. I still hold Crow. I have hundreds of thousands of Crow, but it is not a large part of my crypto portfolio, guys. If you've been watching, you know I always preach, you got to take profit along the way, guys. And unfortunately, Crowcoin really hasn't made many moves to take that profit. So I'm holding that bag, collecting my interest from my staking rewards, and using my Visa card. That's about it for Crow. I'm really waiting for that big price move to happen, and I do expect some volatility to come, especially based on altcoins and Bitcoin dominance. And right now, Bitcoin dominance has broken down below an important level, in my opinion, in the 2-year-long rising wedge, this yellow channel right here. It's a rising wedge, not really a channel, but you guys get the picture. We have finally broken down below it once again. We had this massive blow off top here, and now we're coming back below. Looking at market cipher as well, you see money flow starting to come down. Red dot on the top of the momentum wave. VWAP coming down. I do expect this to continue to make its way down here to about 59.94%. Really, really want to see it make it below that. I really don't want to see this. You might see a little bit of that, but I really want that to be quick and break down, because if we start to bounce off that and treat this point right here as support, I will say, hey, we're probably going to have to be waiting a little bit longer for altcoin season. But I do expect, like I've been saying, for the majority of altcoins right now, they are starting to look like they're bottoming out. And you look at Bitcoin as well, and we're starting to see this curvature. We're seeing the volume pinching right here, liquidating people along the way with these big wicks on the daily time frame. But it does look like we are starting to find ourselves getting ready to position to make our way to the top of this range once again around this level here, anywhere really between 104,000 and probably 110,000. I've been saying it is pretty crazy, all the liquidity sitting here at 110K. Literally billions of dollars of shorts will be liquidated, and the exchanges want that money. They want that liquidity. They want that real bad, and I do expect that the way that we are looking and posturing here, that we do make our way up there relatively soon. I mean, we're 2 weeks into February. I think that the bottom is in for February, unless it's not. But I will say that based on probability and statistics, it is leaning towards the likelihood that the bottom is in, and that we're getting ready to see further price action to the upside. You don't really want to be shorting when you're sitting on support like this, and this is strong support. So that's why I said I have closed many of my shorts. They're just basically hedges for my spot bags, and I am long a little bit, but when I get a quick move to the upside on some of these alts, I am very quick to take profit, because, guys, we are in a very whipsaw-y market until things change, probably until we break out of this formation. It's probably going to continue to be that way, but I've been preaching as well. All 2025, we probably should be expecting lots of trappy behavior. But once this consolidation completes, we'll probably see some face-ripping moves. And hopefully that's to the upside, not the downside. But I do expect a face-ripping rally at some point. We just don't want to see that break to the downside. And it could happen. It could happen. But my invalidations to seeing this start to make its move to the upside is basically closing daily candle closures below like 90... Really, anything below, say, like 94,500. Anything below that, I would say, okay, risk is to the downside. As of right now, it's posture to the upside. Guys, what do you think about Crowcoin? Do you think that the bottom is in here, or do you think we have some more pain to go through? And what do you think about Crowcoin in general? Are you disappointed in this investment? Do you think that we're just getting started and it's going to take time to really make this last push to the upside, just like how it is every cycle, where we usually see Crowcoin perform the best at the very, very tail end of the bull market, where you see these massive gains? Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. That's all I really got for you guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Check out Blowfin, $5,000 sign bonus, and become a part of the trading competition. We can make some money, hopefully, if we're a winning team. And that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.